Dear students, in this video we will solve the warming up and chit chat question from the lesson Great Scientist. इस लेसन के वार्मिंग अप और चिट चैट क्वेश्चन का मैंने एक हिंदी और उर्दू एक्सप्लेनेशन वाला वीडियो भी बनाए हैं जो मेरे चैनल पर अवेलेबल है। अगर आप उसको देखना चाहते हैं तो आप उसको देख सकते हैं, लिंक उसका आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। और 9 क्लास के इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट के हर लेसन के हर क्वेश्चन और आंसर का मैंने एक पीडीएफ और ई बुक भी तैयार किया है। अगर आप उसको खरीदना चाहते हैं तो आप उसको खरीद सकते हैं, लिंक उसका आपको पहले कमेंट में मिल जाएगा। So now we will start the chit chat question, and the first chit chat question is, what would you like to learn about in your science period? So answer is, I would like to learn about the different kinds of plants and their growth in my science period. Second question is, have you ever tried to do an experiment of your own? If yes, tell me about it. If no, then why you have never tried? So answer is, I have tried to do an experiment. I tried to extract salt from seawater to know the process of getting the salt. If you haven't tried the experience, then you will write, no, I haven't tried to do an experiment because I am afraid of the chemicals reactions. Third question is, what would you like to learn about in your English classes? So answer is, I would like to learn about punctuation and figures of speech in my English classes. Next activity is invention. So question A is, think of as many examples of the following as you can within 5 minutes and write them in the appropriate column. So first is type of machine, simple machine that are operated by hand. So first is scissors, second is sieving machine, third is screwdriver. Second is machines that run on electricity. So first is fan, second mixer, third microwave, fourth AC, fifth is refrigerator. Third category is electronic device. So first is mobile, second is computer, third is smart watch, and fourth is TV. B activity is write as many uses of the following as you can. Form groups of 4, compare your lists, make a long list by putting together the list of all members. So A is a cloth bag. So answer is, a cloth bag can be used for keeping clothes and other things and carrying goods, and it can be used as a shopping bags as well. B is a wicker basket. So a wicker basket is used to keep the vegetables, fruits and the eggs and flour. It is also used as a decorative item. C is a glass bottle or jar. So answer is, a glass bottle or jar is used to keep and drink milk, water, fruit, juice, smoothies and lemonades. D is a steel bowl. So answer is, a steel bowl is used to eat in it and also to serve the food, and sometimes it can be used for cooking a small portion of food. E is a thick string or rope. So answer is, a thick string or rope is used to tie or hang something, and it is also used to dry the clothes in the sun. It can be used to play the jumping rope. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में आप साइड में एक क्वेश्चन देखेंगे जो क्वेश्चन है, चूज एनी वन मशीन और डिवाइस एंड प्रिपेयर अ शॉर्ट नोट अबाउट इट. इट शुड इंक्लूड, सो पॉइंट्स आर द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द डिवाइस, हाउ इट वर्क्स, फंक्शंस, अ लेबल डायग्राम, 1 or 2 lines about when and how it evolved. So in the answer we will write about scissors. So scissors are simple but very useful device that are made by 2 metal pieces and have a sharp edges. Scissors are hand-handled device and can be used by putting pressure on the handles, and they have been in the use of humans since last 3000 to 4000 years, and they have evolved since the beginning, and new technology has added more designs to scissors. And here you can see the label diagram of scissor. So these were the warming up and chit chat question from the lesson Great Scientist. I hope कि आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो की मदद से क्वेश्चंस और आंसर को लिखा होगा. अगर आप लोगों का कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर पूछिए. वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में शेयर कीजिए. और इसी तरह के इन्फॉर्मेटिव और एजुकेशनल वीडियोज़ के लिए मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो.